Hello, this is your channel, Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm the electromechanical engineer Emmanuel, and now we're going to start a new video. Now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter. This in my hand is a digital multimeter. Now I'm going to show you how to use this to test a capacitor like this in my hand. For now, if the capacitor is working correctly or not, we will use this digital multimeter. Now, the first step is very easy. Take the capacitor and take this and do this part with careful. Touch this in this way. Touch this in this way, like I'm doing now. This is for discharge the capacitor. In this case, this capacitor is safe now if I touch with my finger. Now it's safe touch the capacitor and use the digital multimeter connected to the capacitor. Now the next step is take this. These are the test probe. This. We use this like you are watching now. We use this to connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor. This part is for touch this point on the capacitor, and this part is for connect to the digital multimeter in this port. Now, the next step is connect the test probe to the digital multimeter here. If we read the information here, we have three spaces. This is the common point, and this is the space that we use to measure or test almost all modes. The black we connect here. Always the black or negative we have to connect in this point. And the red or the positive we are going to connect here. Now this connection is correctly for almost all modes except this mode for measure current. If we want to measure current in this mode, we need to change this and connect in this space. But in this case, we are going to use other modes different to this. For this reason, this connection is correctly in this case. Now, the next step is turn on the digital multimeter, move here, and watch the screen. This is the screen. In this screen, we watch the numbers when we are using this digital multimeter to measure, for example, voltage, current, electric resistance, transistors, continuity, and other modes. And this letter, for example, in this case means high voltage. This is because in this case we choose this mode and this lever inside the mode. For test the capacitor, this capacitor, we need, for example, watch this symbol, microfarads, F of farads. On the mode names, we can't find this F on the digital multimeter. This means for test this capacitor, in this case, we are going to use the continuity test. That in this case, we are going to use this mode. This is for test LED, but we can use this mode in other way to test continuity. Now move the selector in this way. Ready. And now the mode is ready. This number 1 on the digital multimeter screen means we don't have continuity. Continuity is very easy to understand. We only need to take the test probe and do this. For example, now we don't have continuity. If I take this and touch, now we have continuity because this 000 on the digital multimeter screen means that the energy is moving from the black test probe to the red test probe in this way. And now we don't have continuity. All the time that we read this number 1 in this position means we don't have continuity. If, for example, we watch 000 on the digital multimeter screen, we have continuity. Using this information now, we are going to test the capacitor. For now, if a capacitor is working correctly or not, with the continuity test, we can know. Because inside the capacitor, we have 2 plates. One connected to this terminal and other connected to this terminal. And between these plates is a little space. This means that this point and this point aren't connected from one to the other directly. This means that when we use the digital multimeter connected to the capacitor, if we detect continuity when connect the digital multimeter here and here, this means the capacitor is damaged. It's not good. It's not working correctly. Now, let's connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor. Let me see. Okay. Now, connect the digital multimeter. Introduce, touch here and touch this point. And now watch the digital multimeter screen. Don't change the digital multimeter screen. This number 1 continue in the same space. This means we don't have continuity. And this means this capacitor is good, is working correctly. But if I connect this to the capacitor and we watch on the digital multimeter screen this reaction, for example, 000, this means the capacitor is damaged. If you watch the digital multimeter with these zeros in these positions. But in this case, when I connect the capacitor to the digital multimeter, we don't have continuity. And this means this capacitor is working correctly in this case. And in this way, you can test a capacitor like this using a digital multimeter like this. This is all for today. Subscribe in our channel. Give me a like if you like this kind of content. Share this video. and thank you for watching. See you next time. Now I have a very important message for you. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.